Hello and thank you for downloading the simple Image Shopify section by qwiqode. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use it. With this section, you can add a custom image to your store and adjust the styling to match your store's brand. To get started, let's add an image. I'll add an image from my library. Okay, then we have an image link, so you can link your image to a product collection or page on your store. And down here, we have an option to open that link on a new tab or not. Then we have the styling options. The first one is the image opacity on hover, and this is only available when adding an image link. This will create this hover effect. Then we have the image dimensions. By default it's landscape, but you can select it to be original dimensions of the image, portrait, or square. But for this example, I'm gonna leave it on landscape because I like this size. Then we have the image border radius, which controls the curve on the corners of the image. For example, right now it's 0, but if I put it like this, you'll see that the corners make this curve. But for this example, I'm going to leave it at 0. And then we have the image width. By default, it's 100%, but you can make it a little smaller. And if you make it smaller, you can also control the position to be left, center, or right. But on this example, I'm going to leave it center and at 100%. Then we have the same settings for mobile, the image width, and the image alignment. And down here, we have the section styling. The first option is section width, and by default is full width, but you can also select it to be regular width. Then we have the content max width. Right now it's 1280, but you can make it a little smaller, okay? And then we have the real full width. I'm gonna show you because maybe with the color you'll see it better. So right now it's full width, so the section expands all the way, but it has the content max width, so the content will not expand more than that. But if you enable this real full width, you'll see that the image will expand all the way to the edges, okay? But on this example, I really like it to be center, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Maybe a little wider, cool. Then we have the section border radius, which controls the corners, so you can adjust it like this. And then we have the top and bottom margin. This is the outside distance from the section. So right now it's 20, but if you want to make more space at the top, you can control it using these fields. Then we have the padding options. And the padding is the distance inside the section. So right now the top padding is 20 pixels, but if I increment this, you'll see there is more space at the top. We can do it the same at the bottom and also horizontal. Maybe we won't see it right now because of the content max width, but for example, if we put it real full width, it's this distance over here. So if we increment this, it will be more space in here, okay? And then down here we have the same options for mobile, top and bottom margin, and the top, bottom, and horizontal padding. I really like how it looks, so I'm gonna save it, and that's it. Thank you again, and if you have any question or if you run into any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us via our support page or website. Thank you and take care.